Hi girls, welcome back to this channel which is just about things with me. My name is Rishika. This is what I'm wearing today. Nice, right? And this hair is right after the curly hair thing that I did in last video. I'm quite liking this look. Actual curly hair. Oh, I love the sun that is. Hi girls. I ordered clothes from Zepto. 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 I got clothes from Zepto. What is happening with online shopping? Oh my god, there is overflow of options and options. I can't believe that I ordered clothes from Zepto. So today's video is a clothing haul from Zepto. You cannot miss this. No doubt it is getting easier and easier day by day. Also, this video is no way sponsored by Zepto. It is genuinely my opinion. Welcome back to my channel which is just about things with me. My name is Rishika and I'm back with another video. Like I already told you, this is going to be the Zepto clothing haul. So if you're new here, I upload 2 videos a week, one clothing haul and another one which varies from vlogs, home decor and food. Also travel sometimes depending on my mood. Okay, we have no more sun I guess. Oh, the sun is back. So I was scrolling Zepto in my friend's place where I overstayed. After a function we attended together, I had not carried extra clothes and was looking on Myntra for that 30 minutes delivery product and I was not getting a lot of options, and that is when I just bounced to Zepto because I had once seen a nightwear a recommendation. And if you didn't know, yes, Myntra has the 30 minutes delivery option now. It has a separate section. I'll just leave screenshot right here. Not a lot of option, but I think in emergency it is quite good. And yeah, back to my story. So I just tried my luck on Zepto without prior research and I found so many clothes in almost all category, you girls. I don't know if this belt is giving. Why is it looking weird? Oh, okay. That is because I think this is better, right? I'll have to stand on my heels to get the race, and I might as well use a heel. What all do we do for one? Where was I?
What?
Oh yeah, like there's almost all categories of clothes like western top, shirts, shorts, trousers and even nightwear. I was blown away. I kid you not, I was blown away. So I thought, why not do this haul for you? Just check if it's really authentic and worthy and if it matches the picture. So let's do this together. I have ordered 6 clothing worth 1,900 rupees. Let's open one by one and see how it fits and looks on me. Also, it got delivered in 29 minutes. No complaints at all. I'm totally fine to wait 30 minutes for clothes to be delivered to my house. Still can't get amazing. And Zepto, if you're watching, thank you so much for making our life so easier. Here is the bag of clothes that I ordered. There is everything inside this. I actually opted for no bag, but somehow the delivery guy gave me one. So I might as well keep it. And I will show you girls one by one. I have 2 tops, 3 shirts and 1 pretty shirt, which I'm so excited to see if it looks exactly like the picture. And it's in white. Let me pick the first one. Okay, which one do we do? Should I go for the shirt first? Or let me do the t-shirt first. The first product that I got. It's made in India. It says premium t-shirt collection from the brand Smarties. Damn. Pretty, you girls. Look at this. Wow, I love it. I have got this in, I've got extra large because you know I love oversized t-shirt. I hope this fits well like I want it. It's not a drop shoulder. What is it? Love the length. I love the feel. It is definitely softer and cotton. It is so good. Okay, let me show you how this looks on me. Another stunning piece. Like what? I love it. It is a nice sleeves. Why do I feel even men can wear this? Hi, Mitu. On to be. Hi, my sweet Say hi to them. Hello. Hi. I didn't like to pick. Go. Okay, so the second one that I want to show, let me pick a top because I've shown you t-shirt. This is the second top that I got. Can you guess the brand? It is my favorite one, which is already on Myntra. It's Tokyo Talkies, girls. Wow, I love the reach. It is as on the website. Pretty basic top. I've got it in small size. It's just a regular top. I'm sure it's gonna body hug. And I'm really happy. When I saw the brand name Tokyo Talkies on Zepto, I was just thinking it could be a dupe. And no, it is the same. Okay, anyways, without talking too much, let me show you girls how this looks on me. No comments. Pretty. Just look at it. Just like I wanted. It's fitting well. I love the color. I love the fit. Amazing Zepto. And third, again, the third top, I would like to show a t-shirt again because we did the top last. Look how bright and yummy this color looks. Neon, and I'm also gravitating towards neon. Oh, lovely. Lovely. I love the length. This is from the brand Smarties again. I've got it in XL because I love oversized. It says made in India and 100% cotton. I'm in love. If you girls are in a hurry to buy agency or in a sleepover, a sudden sleepover, and you don't have anything to wear, now you don't have to borrow clothes from your friends. You can buy it for yourself. Okay, now let me show you girls how this looks on me. Yummy color. I love the length, I love the fit. It's quite long. It's quite long. Next, I would again pick another top because we did a t-shirt back and it is in this color. Let's see how this looks. Is this a top or a t-shirt? Oh, sorry, it is a t-shirt. It's a t-shirt just like the previous one, but I love it. I've got it in extra large, 100% cotton, and I love the color. This is also going to fit so well, which is nice. It kind of looks bigger than the neon one. Anyways, let's try. This one is also so pretty. The length is as long as the neon one. I've just tucked it in just to give a little different feel. Love it! So pretty, right? Like, so nice. More than the clothes, I'm just so amazed with the availability these days. Like, you get things to your doorstep if you're living in a city, which makes life so easier. You don't have to step out, my loves. The fifth one that I want to show you is a top, yes, because I got two tops. It's in white color. I had to get a white. Oh, nice. It is the same brand. I've got it in XL. Why did I get this in XL? I think it's gonna fit, but let's see. Perfect for summers. I love it. Okay, let me wear this quickly and show you guys. As expected, it's a little loose, but I still love it. It is the basic top. It is this long. I love it tucked in. So, yeah. How do you like it? I definitely like it. It is white, so I love it. This is the back, just as regular. Now, sixth and the last one is my favorite. Oh, I love this. I love this. Just look at the detailing. It has balloon sleeves. And it's from the brand STYLE, and I will leave the price that I paid here. It is white in color, and I love shirts. You already know, especially the ones that is balloon sleeves. It is so good. It's good for summers and winters, and I'm not going to return any of them because I loved all of them. I'm excited to wear this and show you girls. Let me quickly. What? I have no words. Just look at this, you girls. Oh my god. Gorgeous. Stunning. Like stunning. Oh. What do you think? What do you think for a 30 minutes delivery shopping option? Zepto. It fits well, just like I love the sleeves. I already told that. I also like the collar. I've unbuttoned too. So, yeah. Everything is over now. That's it for today, you girls. I hope you enjoyed the video. Internet is filled with Zepto Cafe review. I also intend to do that, probably in future, when I have my friends, because I won't be able to finish the entire order by myself. This haul was pretty worthy, I enjoy doing this as much. Also, the shopping seems so seamless, just like any other platform. I also saw that they have 3 days of return and exchange, which is great. There are different sizes available, colors and options, and the filters are pretty hands-on. I'm a girl who always using filters because it just makes my life easy and it's time saving. Anyways, thank you so much for all the support and love for my previous videos. I love you so much. I definitely intend to do giveaways in my future videos, probably when I reach a certain subscribers. Right now, hardly people comment, so I don't know if a giveaway would be good because I shop a lot and I thought why not give them as giveaway in my videos. That will be really nice actually. Next video will be surely Myntra haul. I said this in my last video as well, but I couldn't do that because this came up and I had to do this one before Myntra. And it's time to say goodbye for now. I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Tata. Bye-bye. What if I sit? Will I be in the frame? Oh my god. Again, I need to change. I can't do this.